hello to my artist friends. Who saw the animation DuckTales? Lovely little ducks. We will start with Dewey first. Do you guys remember what color Dewey's shirt was? It will become clear when coloring. Now it's Louie's turn. Look at his eyes. And finally, we will paint Huey with a beautiful hat. Let's go for coloring. Yes, his shirt was blue.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Louie's shirt?
And
Yes,
Mary
it was green.
Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was
And finally, we color Louie's shirt with red. We will also paint his head with red and pink.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so
Thank
the
you
teacher
for
turned it
staying
out, but
with
still it
me
lingered
until the end of the video.